Hello, TikTok. Today I'm going to walk you through how to shield your energy. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Picture yourself surrounded by light. You are safe here. In this place, you are protected. Your bubble is becoming so strong now, it's almost as if it is brick or iron. Imagine as many layers on your shield as you can, in many different materials and making all sorts of different movement. Now your shield is nigh impenetrable, friend. Whenever you can, come back to this place so you don't have to feel unsafe or vulnerable as often as you can. Claim your power, TikTok.
Let's have some detail on that shielding, shall we? So, one of my very smart followers commented and said something along the lines of, there are places where this meditation won't work. And I would like to say now and for the record that yes, there is tons of ways that this meditation won't work. Depending on how strong you believe this shield to be and how strongly someone is sending you an energy attack or trying to steal your energy. But add another one. Ward yourself more thoroughly. I have a tattoo that's a ward. Do a ritual. Make sigils. Meditation visualization. Burning protective incense. Ingesting protective herbs that are safe to ingest. How protected you are is a feeling. Don't doubt your power. Happy traveling.